So ayun guys, may umorder sa atin ng Aquino bombshells. Assorted to guys, 10 pieces. Tapos ayan, ito din, may kasama ng paper tube. Ayan, tara ipack natin guys. So ito guys yung dagupan na crying cow, dalawa din umorder siya. Ayan, dagupan Kwiton. Ito, crying cow din, crying cow. Ayan. Ito guys, yung Alakino Kwiton naman. Order din ni boss, 5 piraso. Ayan. 5. Bigyan na lang natin si boss ng freebies. So eto guys, 10 bombshells with paper tube, tsaka 5 Alakino, 2 Alakino Kwiton, 2 crying cow dagupan regular. Ayan, ito yung Kwiton, no? So pack lang natin to guys. Ito yung 3 freebies natin. Dreamlight small DK, 3 inches head. Ganda, no? Tsaka mas makapal, mas mahaba yung whistle na ito guys, kumpara sa regular din na small. So ayan, check.